In this video, we're going to talk about Nikola, and to be quite honest, it's been quite a while since I last looked at price action. So let's start from the lower time frame and go up. This is the daily chart, and potentially we have the makings of a double bottom, and where that takes place is you have a low here, buyer stepped in, and then you have another low in which buyer stepped in once again. So right now buyers are currently defending that $7 level. On the upside, you have immediate resistance at $9. Again, your moving averages are still pointing down, but they're starting to converge, plateau, and potentially move higher, or bottom and move higher. Taking it up to the weekly chart, you can see a major sell level near that $16 level. You had a drop in price, basing candles, and a huge drop. And what I love about this level is that if you look to the left, that was previous support, should now be resistance. Now on that weekly chart, you can see we had a surge, and that was due to earnings. Let's get into the actual results, and then we'll look at the charts to end the video. So Nikola saw its shares pop higher following better than expected results for its second quarter earnings report. In addition, the company is progressing towards its goal of restoring its battery EV business following a recall last year. Nevertheless, the stock faces a significant challenge in its bid to regain credibility. Now, Nikola disclosed encouraging results for Q2, posting a loss per share of $2.67. This figure compared favorably to the expected loss of $2.76. On the top line, the company reported sales of $31 million. This exceeded consensus views of $25 million, or by 27%. Now, a year ago, Nikola posted a loss of $6 per share, so you can see the difference, right? Nearly cut in half, or definitely cut in half, which also came in favorable relative to the expected loss of $6.60. At a time, the specialist also posted $15 million in revenue. Again, the metric came in above analyst estimates, which called for 15 or 14.99 million. Now, according to Seeking Alpha, Nikola stated that it rose above the upper end of its guidance range through the delivery of 72 commercial vehicles to its dealers network in Q2. Management also noted that it is the first 3 quarters of serial production, and company manufactured 147 wholesale vehicles. So it's not your 1 to 2 or 10 that we saw in previous years. They are scaling up, although slowly, and they're still in business relative to other companies who have bellied up. Now, again, this is the weekly chart, and you can see you have more support now, resistance at that $18 level. So, once you get above $15, if you get above $15, it's going to be difficult for price to move higher. Taking it out to the monthly chart, and you can see where price once traded. You do have this monthly sell level at about $110, which was formed back in October of 2022, and the formation was a drop, basing candle, a drop. Price rallied higher, and that was a great opportunity to sell, to short the stock. Again, monthly chart, price is now below a key support level at that $16 level, so it's going to be challenging for price to move higher. If you are in and you've been in for a while, stay in. If you want to get in, you might want to see a bit more confirmation on the monthly chart. Again, maybe a close above this pivot or this high for July's candle at $12. Let me know what you think. Is Nikola on a comeback, or is the stock just plain old dead? Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.